Hey guys, Pallav with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this video we are going to see 7 distinct reasons how solo ad traffic makes you easier, faster affiliate commissions compared to any other traffic source out there. In a moment from now, we are going to diagnose and we are going to see step by step how there are 7 distinct reasons which helps solo ads traffic to make more commissions for you every time. Also, for staying with me in this particular video, I have a super special bonus for you at the end. So let's begin. Alright, so step by step, let's see the 7 distinct reasons how solo ads traffic makes you and me more easier and faster affiliate commissions compared to any other traffic source out there. The first reason is warm traffic. Now, as you know most probably that solo ads traffic is basically when you leverage the existing email marketers list out there, which means that those subscribers are already interacting with that particular traffic vendor because they are the subscribers, so they are getting emails on a daily basis and they have raised their hands to look out for make money online opportunity in our case, which means that the traffic is absolutely warm traffic. They are there in search to make money online. Now compare that with the Google traffic, which may or may not be looking for that exact opportunity which you're going to offer to them via Google ads. So that's why solo ads traffic is the only and the best warm up traffic out there. Number 2, real human interaction. Now I rate this point most probably the highest in these 7 distinct reasons. The reason behind, imagine the scenario when you order any kind of traffic or when you set up your ads in Facebook, Bing, or might be Google AdWords or YouTube ads. Now what happens, you interact with the support team. Most of the time there is no one to support you, first of all. Number 2, those are some of the trained mechanical employees who do not know anything about internet marketing. Now compare this with a solo ads traffic where you are interacting with a real legit successful internet marketer who knows list building, who knows affiliate marketing in and out, so they can have a look at your opportunity and say whether it's going to convert or not. They can look at your capture page and say whether you're going to get good opt-in percentage or not, and most of the cases they'll also come up with suggestions to make tweaks if they think that you need some improvement. So it's a huge value for any one of us interacting with a real successful online marketer as a solo ad vendor. Number 3 is a precondition to buy. This point is kind of similar to warm up traffic, but what I mean by precondition to buy is because when the vendor, the solo ads vendor, sends an email to their subscribers, they kind of tweak the email according to your sales page or your capture page, so they can precondition the subscribers to buy and look into it. Also, they know that list better than you and me, so they know that when I write emails to my subscribers or to my database, how to tweak it so that it exactly appeals to my subscriber base. So that's why it's super important to precondition them to buy, and this works based in solo ads traffic. The next point is tracking and testing. It's very easy to track solo ad traffic with a click tracker like ClickMagick. Now if you haven't seen my video on tracking and testing, you can just check the video by clicking the I button, and when you exactly can track, you can know your numbers, you can know how many clicks you have ordered, how many clicks you receive, which country they're coming from, what is converting and what is not, which is very important in solo ads traffic, and it's no such detailed tracking can be done in any other software until you pay for very expensive tracking softwares out there, and which is not feasible for the newbies. Next is no traffic and marketing skills required. Now when you go for a social media traffic medium like Facebook, YouTube, or Google AdWords, there are a lot of hurdles one has to go through: how to write their content, which words to use, which not to use, how to design their AdWords, how to design their banners, because most of the cases they're going to disapprove your ad. In some of the cases, which happened with me many times, you run the ad, it gets approved, and then after some time or after a few days they disapprove the ads without even giving you a warning. and in most of the cases you are thrown into the deep water without having any reason that what exactly happened and why they have disapproved your ads. And the worst case scenario happens when you run some ad in Facebook or Google, sometime for a policy violation which can be completely without your control. You don't know about it. They can also ban your ad accounts forever, which happened with many marketers out there. 9 out of 10 marketers have their Facebook or Google accounts, ad accounts banned, which is terrible. Now compare that with solo ad traffic, where once you build your funnel, you just send the link to your vendor and your traffic starts. No need to depend on any other person's approval. Now, which leads to my next point is no third-party approval needed. Now, once I want to run a traffic in Facebook, let's say I need to get my ad approved. It takes 24 to 48 hours. Most of the cases they won't approve it. Most of the cases they will not even tell you the reasons why they haven't approved it. So you are left in a deep water once again. However, in solo ads, you are not depending on any third-party approval. You send your money, you send your capture page, boom, your traffic starts. This hands-free, completely hands-free method of getting your traffic coming your way. Last but not the least, which is absolutely pocket-friendly, you can start testing solo ads traffic for as low as $50-$60 for buying 100-200 clicks, and if it works for you, you can scale it up. Of course, you can test Facebook and Google AdWords also for $5-10 a day. However, the real data doesn't come over there. Compared to that, what I've seen in my experience, solo ads traffic per click cost is much lesser, and you are getting top tier 5 countries, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA and UK traffic for much less cost, especially in the make money online niche. And also, if we are promoting affiliate marketing offers for make money online niche, in most of the cases Google and Facebook do not like them at all, and most of the cases you will not get approved, although you are writing your affiliate terms and conditions and all those things below your page. Still, in most of the cases you will not get approved. So these are the 7 distinct reasons why I think, and I believe this, and it's the reality, that solo ads traffic gets us more faster and easier sales in affiliate marketing offers compared to any other source out there. So let me know what do you think about this video, whether you agree or not, in the comment section, and I will personally reply to you in the comments. Now, as I told you before, just for staying with me in the video, you can grab a free copy of my 10K per month affiliate marketing system absolutely for free. In the comment section or in the description, you can just click over there and you can get a free access to that. And if you have liked this particular content, do give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that and hit the bell icon, because then whenever I upload a video like this one, you get an instant notification and do not miss out on that. So having said that, thank you so much for being with me in this particular video. In the next video, I'm going to talk to you about solo ads traffic from Udimi versus soloadx.com, and we'll see which traffic source is better for us. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.